Oh, come on.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning. You don't have to do this, okay? This is not the job description of your husband, you know? And the house is barely messy. I mean, the cleaner comes over once a week to clean up. You don't have to stress yourself.
Okay, no big problem at all. At least the time when she no come, make me self cleaner. You don't need to pay me money.
No, it's not about the money. It's about principles, okay? I don't need you stressing yourself for nothing. You don't stress yourself.
No stress. You don't stress me at all, sir. You don't stress me.
Okay, I honestly appreciate your efforts, okay? But you don't have to stress yourself. Don't bother, okay? Thank you so much. I really appreciate this.
Are you ready?
Tim, you're here. Yes, I'm ready.
Have
Have you guys eaten?
I'm fasting, sir. I do 6 to 6.
Okay, congratulations. Have you
Follow
eaten?
up.
You're doing fasting?
Yes, we dey fast like man and woman.
Great. You need to eat. Okay. Alright. You don't have to.
Enjoy work. No wahala, sir.
Okay. Maybe you should watch TV or something.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, take care.
What did happen?
Papa, water don't pass Gary like this.
How?
Papa, water don't pass Gary. Papa, see, no be Jojo be this. No be your pikin be this.
Na him now.
Papa, Jojo don't disgrace me, oh. He don't go engage another woman for Lagos. He buy the woman ring, come buy the woman better flower. My own case, now only mouth, now Jojo tell me say he go marry me for the future. He no give me flower, he no give me ring. Hey God, oh. Hey.
Why join they do like this now? Eh? After everything we don't do for him, you give him money, take go Lagos. You buy things for him. Why?
Everybody go start to they laugh me now. They call me waiter. I beg Papa call him. Call him before I faint, so because I don't understand what they go on, no. I don't understand what they occur for here.
Make I sit down. I will call him.
Call him. Hey.
Papa. Johnny?
Papa, put him for speakerphone. Put him for speakerphone.
Johnny? What did happen now? Now you are the see for phone they give another woman ring so.
Papa, I got engaged though.
Hey! Jojo, which kind talk be this one now, eh? Me where you put for cage, you never remove me for cage finish. You can't go engage another woman. Only you buy am flower, only you buy am better ring. For my own case, you only tell me say you go use mouth, then marry me. What be this now?
Papa, see, I did not plan it. It just happened. She got pregnant. She's pregnant with my child.
What be talk say you don't plan am? When you dey put your pin for inside a vum vum pikin come outside, you no plan am? This kind thing when you do me no good oh.
Johnny, why now?
Hey.
Now so they do big man like you to just give girl belle like that. Now so for this generation, for this period, at least he get one thing. One they use.
They call am rubber. Oyibo they call am condom. They call am condom rubber. Now they call am.
But I did not use that. I didn't use it. And Philo, Philo, sorry, but we're done here. I better go and look for somebody your class and level. As in, what is it?
Jojo, you don't feel break my heart like this, oh. This kind talk when you talk, you not go fit talk am because I don't dey wait for you for many years. See, for this our tradition now, man fit marry 2 wives, even 10 sef. You go marry me join this woman no because you not go fit disgrace me like this. Jojo, you not go fit disgrace me for this village like this. It not go happen no. It not go happen no. You go marry me with that one no because where I won't start from. All the boys for this village, I don't think they say I don't marry you oh.
Johnny, you form my hand scatter. Even my heart does scatter as I did here so. Oh no. Hey.
I'm a good Christian. I cannot do that. I can't marry 2 wives. See, don't be angry, eh? Papa, see, I'm sorry. Philo, don't be angry, Biko, But see, I'll call you later. I have to go. I'm busy now. I'll call you later, eh?
Johnny!
Papa! See, as it just be like this now, make heaven just open, make I just dey go. Or make this ground just open like this, make it just swallow me because this disgrace where this boy don't disgrace me. I no go fit use my head to carry am, Papa.
You no go happen.
Hey.
You no go fit do am. Ah, don't be say as me, I see the life so. Lie. You no go fit. I know what I go do am.
Na so they don't dey talk since make I know they go dey trust man. Papa, I go dey trust man. I go dey trust Adam. I go dey trust man.
Leave am for me.
Papa, I beg do something, no. Do something, no. Do something. If I go, if not, I go faint, oh.
Johnny, you never see anything.
Hello?
You should be your own now. I don't say me not they call this number again. Not they hear what? Not they call me now.
Jojo, I dey Lagos as you dey talk now. I dey Lagos. I don't arrive Lagos. I don't dey try call your number. Say me you can't direct me because as I dey like this now, my money don't finish. And it be like say I don't lost because I don't dey try call you. No just pick. As you don't pick now, tell me where you dey make I come locate you now.
If I say you don't call. You dey mad, Abi. You don't dey use ground to hear so Gary because I don't understand. Eh? You dey you come Lagos, you not let me know. I don't understand. You dey road, so make I do it now. They want to not jam you for there. As you did, they go back to where you come from. Share why be this now. If I just get her from this place. What kind of nonsense is this?
Jojo cut call for my head. I be waiting. Hi. It be like say this evil spirit wey dey for this Lagos don't enter Jojo brain. Because wetin go make am come cut call on me, Philomena, Fifi. I been a network. Maybe na network. Because I don't understand why it go come pick, come they tell me that one. I don't dey Lagos. This man safe.
Hey, babe.
I missed you.
Oh, my love.
How are you?
I'm alright. How are you?
Fine.
Good to see you.
Same here. How did your day go?
I'm stressed.
I'm really stressed and tired.
Okay, so let me get you water, okay?
Why are you making me sit like a baby?
My princess. Are they crazy? Beauty.
Stop.
Beauty.
Stop it, I like it.
You like it? Maybe I'm coming. Let me get you water.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay, I'm waiting. Your phone! Yeah, hello?
Hello?
I'm Joy's fiancé. He just stepped out to get something.
Joy, fiance. This Joy will no get joy. So now you dey snatch my husband. You know say Jojo na my husband. Eh? Why you go talk that kind talk now? Hello? Joy, I beg give Jojo the phone. Make her continue with my talk. Now family matter will they talk for here. Hello?
You can't.
Hello? Hi. Wetin dey occur now for this place, for this Lagos? Wetin dey occur? Eh?
Hey. What was it?
Okay, so somebody called you, and then she called me a husband snatcher. She said her name is, I don't know, but I should give the phone to her, Jojo.
No. Who's that? Definitely wrong number. Let me see.
I guess it's a wrong number because
Is the number saved?
it's not saved.
It's wrong number now, eh? Let me block them. Let me block them.
This man no carry me play for this place. Here! You know they pick my call again. Hey! Me, Philo. Who be that girl? Joy. Jojo. Ha!
Truly, this is really how it feels to get it hard, shattered into pieces and no room to mend it all. Trying hard to push the past away, but it's difficult.
Which can't seem with this now, Jojo. Make you try call me now. They done the dark.
And yes, tonight feeling deeply broken, but you can not let it heal. Waving hard to memories, but it's difficult. Though it may seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind and move on. Tomorrow is better.
Which can wahala with this one? Go see for Lagos.
But you have to put the past behind and move on. Tomorrow is better. Be the woman place, but you cannot leave the cold. Hungry for
You okay?
but you can not leave the dark. Close your eyes and kiss your
Me, I'm not there okay.
Yeah, I talk am. Because I don't come here since 3 hours ago. Come see my oga. I go chop, come back, you still there, and I hear you sit down, you don't move. You can't dey cry sef. Wetin dey happen now? Wetin do you?
As I dey for here, plenty things just they happen to me. I don't know what to do.
Child. No be small thing, Oh yeah now. I fit help you if you want me to help you now.
But no worry. I don't want to add problem to the one where I don't already get. I don't suffer well today.
Sister, you said, see, na Lagos you do. I say you the high phone, no be things I be thief. I no be thief. I don't dey here since 3 hours. I come see my oga. You know dey. I don't dey wait. I go chop, come back. I say you see dey here. I just want help you. If you from here now, from Egbeda, sorry, Vega, you trek, go end of Lagos. One person no go help you. Now, grace of God. Just look at like say I be angel where God sent to you. And see as you carry your phone, go hide. No give yourself cancer. You don't say radiation. He go give you breast cancer. Come out and dey free with me. I no be thief. I be a good person. My mind just tells me I ask you whether you dey okay. But if you no need my help, now you go.
Oh yeah, wait now, wait. No, be you talk say you be angel. Why are you in a hurry?
Now, when angel appear to Mary, Mary attend to am instantly now.
See, honestly, as I just dey like this, frustration don't frustrate me. I come this Lagos, come find my fiance. The next thing now, he not just even dey pick my call, he just dey behave as if say he be devil. He can't carry the phone, give to another girl where they talk say he don't engage. Now so I don't dey call am money I no get. Say he don't dey dark. I don't even know as I want to even go back to village. Now here now just sit down put. I don't know waiting my life go be from here now. I don't know.
You know me now. So you don't dey call am since, you know.
I don't dey call am. I don't dey call am.
So you just say you get fiancé, you engage.
One girl wey they talk say he engage. I want make her see her, make he look me eyeball to eyeball, make he tell me say he engage Joy.
Hey, Joy. Now wow. Okay now, make we try call am again and see whether I go through. What the thing they show you?
He dey do pom pom.
I fit try am. I no go tip your phone. Why you dey do like that? Why I hold my slippers in case you think that they lie. Hold am. Sister, this one I block them block you.
Jojo block
He block you.
Jojo no fit block
You no want see you again, he don't block you.
No, I never reach
Okay,
like that.
make we try with my phone now. Make we see whether I no go pick. What's in the number?
No fit Sophie, Davis.
The ring. Hello, Oga.
Hello, Jom. Nami, Philo, I don't dey call you since. Na in dey do pom. Hello? Nami. Jojo, you there? Jojo, you there? Hey.
How do you do? You do bobo.
Don't God, make you call him again now if you go.
I know, man. He's a fair man. He don't block you.
Hey.
He don't block you. If that starts in here, your voice, he block you. This thing, see, I know man very well. You don't want to see you again. Maybe him and that Joy, they don't marry. So don't be rumor again. Now, you don't marry that Joy girl. See, this issue now, that video boy cause him. As the boy sing that song, Joy is coming. All the joy with the Lagos, all they marry. Once you be Joy, you just meet man go marry you. You don't marry the Joy girl. I'm not gonna lie for you.
Suffer why I don't suffer because of Jojo for village. I don't 6 years of my life now I carry give her to her say hey person wey be my heart now I give her to her I don't even carry money give her even they clean they cook they do everything even they take care of your papa I don't do everything
6 years
6 years now I carry give her
small girl like you
no be by my
6 years now
no be by small girl because me I dey very very hardworking. I dey very hardworking now. I don't try. They take care of this Jojo before he say he won't come Lagos. Now he don't reach Lagos. He come engage another Joy. That Joy no go ever see joy for his life again.
You know, the thing hard though. Just like that. So how you want to come do now?
I don't know what I go do. Now my last money now I take on Lagos. Think he say Jojo go come carry me. Money I no get. Place I no get. So I don't even know what I go do.
So as you do like this now, money no dey your hand at all.
I don't know. Say now this guy suffer way once past village. I won't come
for Lagos
for here.
For Lagos. It go hard though.
I don't know what I go come do like this now.
Oh yeah now, no wahala now. You go follow me go my house, come sleep with me now. Make I help you.
Abeg, which kind nonsense talk be this one? Abeg, carry your sleep.
Wait. Okay, na mistake now.
Because I get problem.
Oh,
now you say make I come sleep with you.
I know not be okay. I don't get wetin dey cause the problem. No be sleep with me as in say we go sex it now. That's not what I'm trying to say here. Wait now. I say make you come my house, come sleep for the same. Now one house I get 1 bedroom, 1 bed. Come sleep for my place. That's what I mean.
I know they go. My papa say make I know they follow people like that.
My mama tell me say make I no even dey trust anybody. For this thing when you dey like this, which is there everywhere. That Jojo now, that's Joy if you don't give am mommy. So now everybody dey on alert. You see woman, you run. Normally I suppose they fear you, they run. I don't know whether it be witch. So when they dey for your house, they go turn to bed for night. Sometimes na liability. Now if I wan help you, I just dey feel say maybe God move me come meet you as angel to come help you. So it depends on you. Now if I wan help you. This Lagos wey you dey like this.
I say I no want. Make you just dey go. Make you just dey go.
This Lagos wey you dey like this. If you dey here, reach night reach like this. As I take see you that time, 3 hours ago, I don't see you. Be fine girl. Now so all these other boys wey dey this side, they don't see you. They just dey wait. Make night reach. When night reach like this, first your bag don't go. Your phone, it don't go. Your left breast, it don't go. They go sell down 5,000 now, you don't go. Your lung don't go. Now so they go. Even you yourself, you don't go.
That's what they do for here.
That's what they do. Now they even say hair. You get let's say you get long hair. They go cut and Peruvian hair. You know they sell them 1.2 million. It don't go. Now if I want help you, so it depends on you. I don't want to do anything with you. Me say I be fine boy. Look me well and when I no get, I cute die. So come. If you want me to help you, make I go help you.
Oh yeah, angel, wait now. Shebi you don't say you like.
It's your team. Don't worry, come.
You don't carry me do anything. No, I go.
I won't carry you.
I go naked. I go swear for you. I go swear for you.
So now you want the naked? I don't even do anything. You want the naked? I don't want to see your nakedness. Come, make I help you.
No carry my bag. I'll carry am by myself. Man, know where you won't carry me go.
You don't trust me still. Oh yeah, come.
I don't tell you say anything. My head no dey.
You sef clean your face. If person see you now, they go think say I beat you. Abeg clean your face. No go. That I want here. If I don't want carry you do anything, you no go go through. No go. You no go. I dey tell you. My dear, welcome, eh? So, now here they stay. Here they stay. So feel free, find corner, put your thing, eh? If you put up for wardrobe, then find one corner for bed, lie down or sit down, depend on you. If you want bath, see bathroom for here. Eh? You know, say na long trip if you come from and you go bath down. What's happen?
No worry, I go stand.
You don't show me say you be witch. You know say na only witch they stand sleep. You want stand sleep for where? I beg, come off it, man. No, they do like that. Just feel free.
I don't tell you, say me no worry now. Say I feel stand. You don't try. You go sleep, I go stand.
Sure. Yeah, I can't pity you. Anyway, this house where you see like this, no be me get them. Nah, one of my guy we don't japa. I see one japa, you can't leave the place for me, say make a day here. But even at that, the landlord say he won't collect the house back. So once rent expire now, I know that we are going to stay at the manager for now. So if you go, no mind though, manager with me. You just find your corner, they okay, they comfortable. You don't chop?
I chop when I did for inside motor, they come here.
Since that time? I never shit.
I dey stay like this for 3 days. I'm not dey go toilet.
A whole 3 days? I'm saying your shit go dey smell well.
Hi.
Hey, I beg if you want shit, just open my window for me. Lock door. Make you no come this side. I carry God beg you. Me and smell, we no fit dey together.
But I beg, that thing wey we talk, what I tell you say, I beg me no try use me for anything.
I know they do anything with you.
Because I don't know wetin dey happen. Even if say I come for village, I still dey understand wetin dey happen. If you use me for anything, it no go better for you and your generation.
You still dey talk this matter? I know they do anything with you. I won't help you. Angel I be. Dey comfortable. Make I find something arrange for you, make you chop. Yeah?
No worry, I dey okay, I dey alright.
Okay, no problem. I mean, the Johnny thing dey worry you.
See, this thing wey Johnny do me, no good though. That joy no go ever get joy for a life. Yeah. I just tired. The person wey you don't take, you know the matter now. Now my heartbeat be that.
He has done the beat for somebody else now. You, with time, God go down for you. You go find person where you have with the beat for. You hear? See, for this life, if person show you say he no wants you, you self show him say you no want that. Yeah? I'm going to arrange food for you.
This thing with this man talk now na message. A message you. Johnny no wants me. Me say I no go want am. I know they chop beans. They make me the mess.
Papa God, I beg you. Make it reach there safe for. This one when it be like this one now. Wow. Now so today, today, na iPhone can't see when it can't spoil. God, I beg you, help me. Make you help me take care of him. God, I beg you.
Bros, leave this woman matter. No, think concern woman. My head they find money now, they find work. Which I be say woman? Person whenever chop food, go they find woman. As I did at least, I just dey pursue money. I dey find money anyhow. So saying na legal means. But that job no be bad idea. House go dey, accommodation, food go dey, 200k salary. Hey! But the man conditions can't be one kind. Which one be this kind of question they ask for? Don't spoil them now. I beg and see you go find me or that job. Because even this person they stay like this, the landlord don't call. He talks say when the rent expires, say he no one make me even renew. Even if I want to renew, I want to see the money join. So just try help me find job. If not, you don't ready for me. I know. We will talk later now. Eh? Okay. You will need. You say you don't wake now.
I don't wake.
Oh, sorry. The first bus go soon. They go. Yeah. You get like 1 hour before you reach there. So just say no weapon they go now. Philo, wake now. Let's say you don't want to travel again. Because once that bus move like this, you go dey stranded and I don't want make you dey Lagos here come dey stranded.
This man who like you. I no get money.
I know you tell me before say you no get money. So you no get money at all, nothing dey your hand.
I swear, na only 2,000 naira dey in my hand like this. I no go reach for anything.
2,000. Okay. This one wey dey na like 30,000.
Hey.
Na money wey I don save since. But who side you dey stay?
Na Asaba from come.
Asaba. Transport from here to there now go be
23,000 I take one.
Yeah, 23,000. Me, I don't manage save like 30,000. So I'll give you 25,500. So if you go bus stop now, you can't go there, you get 2K plus your own 2K, 4K. Free chop now. But not chop everything. So when you reach Asaba, you'll get money to go your house from bus stop.
I don't know. Money I can't pay now to buy.
Oh,
Come back up when I reach for. Thank you, and God will bless you.
No worry. You said you're a good person now. Good people, they always get good things when they come their own way. No problem.
Where can they go now?
Okay.
Bros. Sorry for the thing I won't be talk. No say no suppose good say stranger conscious they listen to wetin person will not be stranger they talk. So I know say so I can't hear way for the talk for phone say for driver say person that thing where you talk about marriage.
Oh, nah, my friend they call me say they get job where they make OKUNZUWA, but the chairman say they find a responsible person for driver. Say the kind of person when they find a person we don't marry.
Hey.
You know, I mean I never marry, so you know what go provide or that job will come.
But bros now, you know say some kind of opportunity now once now until they come, and you know say English people talk and say one good turn to another together.
So one good turn deserve another.
One good turns
Together.
deserve together. So I can't think and say if one good turn now we don't do for me now, I can't join together with you for that your own good turn too.
Wait. So you want pretend I say my wife?
I no won't marry you, but I just say make I just come do one good turn for you.
Thank you. That one go. But come on, I don't want to make you dey stranded or make you inconvenience yourself.
No, if you ask me now, say wetin I wan go do for village. Nothing, no. I reach there, they go start to dey laugh me, say you come back, wetin you buy? You no buy bread, wait judge or nothing.
This one a good idea. Make I call my friend, tell him now. Make him no give that job to another person.
No, just tell him.
Yeah.
Tell him. Not be to form say I be your wife. Wahala no dey now. At least they don't fair talk and say.
Bros, I beg, no give that job to another person. No. I go the interview. I don't marry. I don't get wife now. No give anybody that thing. I go there. Oh yeah, thank you. You do this one.
Like that, I don't marry. Before I come to say you dey play.
You know what? That me understand how they talk. Thank you. You go back, you dey scratch body since now. You know say from that travel.
Bros, you see this sleeper, they sleep. Now one eye take they sleep, the other eye feel like say no to sleep well. Because say I dey fear.
So you want me that other eye can sleep now?
Make the other eye sleep now. Now where you don't go say I don't trust you say the person will get sense. And bros, I just like us to just allow me sleep peacefully. No even disturb me. Sure say you be better person.
I'm a better person, and you self, you know, be my spec.
Yeah.
So
I know your spec.
don't worry about that one.
That's not spec. They save person life.
I swear, you even saved my own life too.
But this one where you dey look me like this, you feel like say you don't first see me before. Have you seen me for dream?
And I'm Eric. I'm so sorry. I should have introduced myself. I'm Eric.
Tim, sir. Tim.
Huh?
Yeah, that's my name, sir.
Okay.
It's me that they sent for the interview, sir.
Wonderful.
Yes.
My wife.
Philomena.
Yeah,
Philomena. But they feel call me Philo for short or.
Yes. I even call her Flo baby.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Philomena. That's a beautiful name. So you're his wife.
My husband.
Yes. Oh.
Yes. You see, if you look us like this from that angle now, you can see we resemble. Our nose resemble.
I own a small version of my long
Yes.
nose.
Are you related or you're married?
No, married.
Okay.
Happily married couples.
Okay.
Together forever. But what about you now? Where madam?
Yeah, I am not currently married. I used to be married though.
Hey,
Not anymore.
used to be married. All those kind of things now, waiting people for bad character that they do now. You don't use bad character chase and.
No, not really. She passed away.
Hey, pass away.
Sir, sorry for your loss, sir.
Both of you are very much welcome. So
Yes, sir.
I'll pay your first salary. I'm sorry, I'm a bit razzled here. I'll pay your first salary. You start tomorrow, okay?
Hey.
Just like that.
Just no, you passed the interview.
Okay, thank you very much,
sir.
sir.
God bless you,
it's okay.
sir.
God bless you, sir.
God bless you, sir.
Oh, come on.
Good morning.
Good morning. You don't have to do this, okay? This is not in the job description of your husband. you know? And the house is barely messy. I mean, the cleaner comes over once a week to clean up. You don't have to stress yourself.
Okay, no big problem at all. At least the time when she no come, we me self cleaner. You no need to pay me money.
No, it's not about the money. It's about principles, okay? I don't need you stressing yourself for nothing. You don't stress yourself.
No be stress, so you no stress me at all, sir. You no stress me.
Okay, I honestly appreciate your efforts, okay? But you don't have to stress yourself. Don't bother, okay? Thank you so much. I really appreciate this.
Are you ready?
Tim, you're here. Yes, I'm ready.
Make up your back.
Have you guys eaten?
I'm fasting, sir. I do 6 to 6.
Okay, congratulations.
I
Have you eaten?
follow up.
You're doing fasting?
Yes, we dey fast like man and woman.
Great. You need to eat, okay? Alright. You don't have to.
Enjoy work. No wahala, sir.
Okay, maybe you should watch TV or something.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, take care.
Tim just get luck though. This oga just dey very nice. You no even get wahala at all. When I think say rich people dey wicked, this one good. Make I just finish this thing now this week.
You know my pikin.
Hello, Papa. Wetin happen now? I don dey call your phone, you no go.
Wetin happen be say my phone been spoil, so I can't give am to that boy wey dey repair phone. Now you just bring am come back today. Nah.
Hey, I don try, I don call your phone. I don call am plenty times. You no pick. I don't even come understand wetin dey happen. Hi, so your phone spoil.
Ade o. And how you dey? You don see Johnny?
Hi, Papa. No be small thing o. I call Johnny. Johnny use his hand block me. He blocked me for telephone. Johnny no send me o. He no send me at all. And I just did this Lagos here. I phone am. He carry block. He block me. Now one good Samaritan, Papa, na help me o. If not, I don't know where I go for day by now. You know all those good Samaritan where they see for Bible? That one where they say everybody come run, leave that man. Now only that one can help him. Now that man for that Bible what they read. Now that good Samaritan na help me.
I sure say you dey okay, Abi? You want money?
No, Papa, I don't need money. I do okay. Now you need to take care of yourself. Philo no complain. Philo just wants where you do alright.
Thank God, everything dey okay now.
Johnny carry phone, block me.
I was coming to put the door for you. It's okay.
Thank you very much.
Sure, sir. Welcome.
How was your day?
Fine, sir.
Good. Well, I'll be inside.
Yeah, I'm coming up, sir.
Okay.
How far now?
I do. How you go?
Nah, very good man, though.
Hey.
Over good one kill him. Very good man. Look, I carry some give him. I dey come back for this. You don't chop?
I don't chop, sha. Something like
I dey come. You go just me when I come, eh?
Okay. When I think say rich people, they're wicked. This one good, though. God is good.
Everywhere is sparkling clean. Philo is a joy giver. Tim, you lucky bastard.
be small thing, oh. And so they just they drag, motor they move, people they see they run. They grab the thing. I can't say, how could I not come thief my bag, oh?
You know, that's what they do, my beggar. If you know they sharp, they don't carry your bag, though.
Hey!
Because once that boss drop you for there like this,
Hey!
that is a person. If you come carry your bag, carry your
so
things.
one woman, she
If
just
you know they run, you don't go far.
The woman sit down for there and start to dey cry.
Chai.
She dey cry. I don't know what thing happen. I said that one not concern me. Make her save my
I
bag.
tell you
first.
my own story, when I first called this Lagos. Now for night I land,
Hey.
like around like 4 a.m. So I call land Lagos.
Hey.
Now for Yaba, the bus stop. One man come tell me say, come make I follow am enter this corner. Say, yeah, go see taxi wey go carry me go to lady.
Don't mean it.
That's how I follow the man go. They want teach me.
Hey!
Hey! Oh boy. Now God just tell me say, why you dey follow this person go? Turn back. Now I turn back. I start the run. The man they come and say, where you dey go now? They come dey pursue me. I come say, okay, I don't see tea.
Hey. It's good as you run, though.
This town no be for weak-hearted person.
No
You
be
must
someone
stop.
for inside motor talk say in dey change dollar. In dey change dollar. Thank God say my papa tell me say anybody wey I hear say they change money, make I not even talk for the matter. Because now so they go just carry my brain, turn them upside down. Money wey I no get.
You dey lucky say you not even go market yet. The get one market, you go that market, Yaba market. Yeah, you go dey touch you like this.
Hey!
Auntie,
Hey! May they no touch
from
me.
here, they say, auntie come by.
Hey!
Auntie
May they
come
no
by.
touch me, oh.
He go shock you. That is that's when you don't want buy. They go. It go be like say then send them to come carry you buy that.
Aye.
The people carry for head, carry go buy am.
Lagos.
I honestly love what they share. The friendship, the genuineness. I pray I find someone I can share something similar with. I honestly never realized how lonely I was till they came along. I mean, seeing them, I want to be happy once again like they are. You know, I want to feel the joy of having someone I call mine. I miss you so much, Esther. You were so free-spirited, like Philo. Such a lucky guy. Oh, okay.
Sir.
Hello, Tim.
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling?
Sounds good, sir.
Good. So deliver the parcel and collect mine, okay?
Okay, sir.
You have the address?
Yes, sir.
Great. All right. Hello, Philo. How you doing?
I dey fine now.
Yeah.
My husband, he talk say he will quick come back, but I don't dey wait for him, he never still come back. And hunger don't dey worry me. The one way dey for my belly don't dey wire me.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. You're hungry?
Yes, sir.
You don't have to be, actually. You can get food out of the fridge and just microwave it.
Hi.
You know?
Sir, now that's a microwave.
The microwave?
Yes, sir. I mean, I know sabi am. Now my husband Tim, now he sabi dey do that thing.
Oh. Okay, no, I can teach you. It's not a big deal.
Hi, Oga, you dey very generous, so but make you no come be like say I dey send you message. You know say you be Oga now.
It's okay. Let's go to the kitchen. I'll teach you, okay?
Hi. Thank you, sir.
It's okay. Ladies first.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Welcome, oh.
You know below.
Hi.
After I don't chop.
I don't chop, but I want to chop again with you as you don't come.
No, I won't go make food for 2 of us.
No, Meko. I won't carry your food now. Put am for inside that box thing like this way Oga show me.
Microwave. You don't sabi am. No. No bonamo.
No. I happy as I see that thing. The food go come hot. I dey come.
You don't sabi that one.
And they don't teach me one thing. If I put am inside like this, light go come outside, the food go come hot.
They like quick. Come. Use kitchen enter now. Why you want to follow inside? Follow kitchen go.
And out of excitement.
For you okay?
I dey okay. Na hunger. The way I go do am now.
Do my own on your own.
Na two of us now.
You know.
No, babe. I can't wait for your cousin to sign the contract.
I equally can't wait too. But he said we should give him a little time before he will hand over the sole distributorship. I can't wait to meet your brothers. I can't wait to meet your father and your mom especially. You've spoken highly of us.
It's funny that I've always seen your cousin. So, I want to meet the rest of your people with palm wine. Make your wife. Huh?
I can't wait to. Definitely.
Yes, sir.
Oh, hello, Tim.
Yes, sir.
Hello. How you doing? Please have a seat. Yes, yeah. Okay, Tim, you want to sit down soon?
Yes, sir.
No, of course you can.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, feel free. So is everything okay?
Sir, everything dey okay. Na just say I say maybe we can't tell you say I want the travel go village.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's cool. For the weekend?
No, sir. Na for months, sir.
Months?
Yes, sir.
How? I thought both of you are supposed to live together. That's the deal, actually. When you did the interview, right? You mentioned that both of you are going to live here together. Yes. Is everything okay? Or no? Because that was the deal, you know. I didn't know we were going back on our
that's
deal.
The deal, sir. But rainy season, the crops they need to harvest and to germinate, sir.
And also, guy, you know, say the way things don't be now, only man not fit dey work, woman too supposed to support. So I need to go farm, get some money so that when children now won't go Cambridge, now they will feel good.
I mean, normally, if the man is making enough money, the woman doesn't actually have to work. But like, you know, situations vary, you know, from case to case, you know. But when are you leaving?
Tomorrow morning, sir.
You're leaving tomorrow?
Yes, morning, sir.
Tim.
Sir.
She's leaving tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh.
Even
no, don't worry, it's okay. Okay. Well, safe journey, okay? And inform me when you get there. Okay,
sir. No problem, sir.
Wow.
Thank you, sir.
I didn't expect this news. It wasn't.
It's just the farmland, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome.
God bless you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Huh?
Thank you, sir.
Oh yes, no, yeah. And okay.
Like play 2 weeks, don't come go.
Just like I be like dead now, I just they fly.
I go miss you scatter.
I go miss you too. Hi, Tim. Na so you be good man, oh.
You say you be good woman.
You just very nice to me. You never even collect anything. If na some men them, they go just they collect.
collect. It's
but you don't even collect hug. Oh yeah, hug me.
It's all collect again. And not be immense. Now good men.
You know matter. Hug me first. Hi.
You love you.
Hi.
Go miss you scatter.
I go miss you too.
Sure you go tell Oga say you go now. Make you know say you go.
Tim.
Oga.
She want to contact say she dey go.
Oga wey sabi.
So you really have to go, huh? You can't stay. It's just something you have to go and do.
Hey, they miss me for that side though.
Oh, okay. I've sent you 200,000 to your account.
Hey, 200,000. Okay, that's a big money, oh. Thank you, sir. God go bless you, sir. Go bless you,
It's okay. Tim, you can drop her at the park, okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You be good man, sir.
No problem. Alright, take care, eh? When you get home, just call us and let us know, yeah? Okay. Alright now. Bye.
Bye.
Alright now.
So today AC go blow your body.
You go blow me, oh. Now when you don't send me that 200,000, give me your account number. Make I quickly just forward that 100,000.
Lie. I don't want that. Carry the money out for your business. See, I just want to hear say your business when they grow. That's all.
Hey.
You hear me?
Sim, you mean this thing where you talk? Give me the account number.
I say no give. I want to make you put up for your business. Make I hear say your business they grow. That's all now.
You be good man, no.
Yeah,
they know they see your type too.
They hard to find. I don't go lie for you. But you said you be a good woman. Come, where would they go before you late?
Hey, so I will come enter big car. God, I thank you. Oh. One man will show me shege. You can't give me 2 men. Hey.
Too many. Hey.
No, they correct me. You
go embarrass me now.
Wait till be the plural. Wait till be the plural for man, not be men.
No,
you
not be men.
S.
Not men.
God, I say thank you. No, that one on my work. Na my work be that.
Thank you. No be your work.
Hey!
Make AC blow your body today. Beloved Africa. Beloved of the universe. Hey,
Hey.
Sir.
Yes, Tim.
Yes, I've dropped her at the park.
Oh. I'm sure you miss her already.
Sir, I miss her very much, sir. The way she makes me laugh, the passion that she brings, liveliness, everything about her, sir. It's nothing not to miss.
I totally understand how you feel, man. You're a lucky man to have that kind of woman.
Yes, I agree with you. I'm very lucky, sir.
Alright, you can go.
Sir, do you want anything?
No. And let me know when she lets you know that she's gotten home.
Sure, sir. I'll let you know, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Take care.
Papa, that's why I see him. That's why I see him for Lagos.
Johnny! Man, when they run, live in shadow. That's what they run, leave God.
Papa, if you see what my eyes see, you no pick my calling. I tell you everything now. Jojo show me shege. Jojo na different person now. As he be, so I don't tire. I don't cry. I don't vex. I don't even leave the matter to God. I don't fit again. I don't tire.
I be won't follow you go Lagos that time. In the way the beast said, I won't go to Lagos now. Make I go see him. I go show up. Make you know say I been Papa.
Papa, no. No need for that. No need for all that. See, if you do like this now, it go be like say you force me marry him. or you force him to marry me, I beg. No worry, just leave the matter to God. God wey dey alive, wey dey see, in dey see wetin dey happen, and he go judge the matter, so no worry.
Okay now, the one way go marry you, if they come, you go see him. When we'll settle down with you, they come.
Amen. Oh.
God go make him like that.
Amen. At least they go wipe all these my tears away. Amen. Papa, I beg you don't chop.
Don't belly full, Lord. The way the thing be now, don't belly full.
Papa, you supposed to chop. I just tired. As I just come, I just make a branch see you first. Make her go house.
You do well.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh. Alright, Papa.
Thank you. Hey.
Bye bye.
Wow. Okay now. Johnny. See your life?
Okay now, madam, I dey wait though.
Madam, give me pampers. Give me more pampers. I don't understand. She okay, I meet you for here. I won't buy pampers. She knows she's not picking her one exam for. Make her wait for it.
Madam, wait for your turn.
You know, as I come in, I no wish you. I just buy pampers. Ma, they go. My pikin don't shit. Ma, go back. Ma, go back for them. Don't test me this afternoon. I don't mean you. Madam, give me more pampers.
I say wait for which kind of
people not see you now. If I start my own, I'm not gonna say. Move yourself, oh. Madam, I beg you, pampers.
Madam, I beg, come on, wait for your turn. I know they like this kind of nonsense.
Okay. Everybody see you. Not be your fault now. Shebi you don't collect me, they don't feel marry you. You dey your papa house in all this way. You dey they do. You dey. Madam, I beg you, more pampers, I beg.
Madam, pikin where you born, it complete. Pikin where you born, it complete.
See, na me they talk to.
I born pikin, I born
you
pikin.
You not see fine boy. You born
complete.
Say you born. You don't be person where born. Now I'm gonna say I don't born. I won't wear pamper. Me now I born. I won't wear pamper. You know you born there. You don't see I shall walk. God, mother, give me pampers. I beg, give me pampers. You never see anything. You don't start for this area. Now me go threaten you. Ma pick my money, ma bag. Give me pampers. I beg.
See why you can't blame me for this matter now? Not be the woman first start problem. Now she first start am.
I don't blame you. I know they blame you. All I'm saying is that you know say that woman newly born pikin. You know for fight am now. If you leave am,
she for consider her condition first. How she go just injury where I don't they try to heal up. This woman just use insult. They remove everything. Open the injury again. You don't know as this kind of thing they pain me. I be human being now.
I understand. Calm down. Don't do. Don't leave am.
See, honestly, Anne, you don't understand. Because if you understand, you know go they sound the way you they sound. Anyway, for this village, I don't blame anybody. Now Jojo wait, chop me finish. Collect thank you, collect very much. Now I blame.
That one go pass. Leave am. Jojo don't you go marry another husband wey go love you. Leave that one.
Amen. No, I beg. You don't cook that bean, so you say it be the cook.
I never even put her for yourself. Dey there. Not get
which kind
crazy.
of kerosene? I beg, go buy kerosene. Hunger don't finish me.
I am so lonely. I have nobody. I love to call my own. I am so lonely. Take it low, you know. Ha! Cool. Oh my. What is going on? Tim, did you see my phone? No. Wallet. Did you see my wallet in the car? It's in the car. It's not in the car. Okay. No, it's fine. I'll call the host of the party that we went to. But check all the nooks and crannies. In the car, check everything, in case it fell somewhere. Check. What is going on? Broski. Sorry, bro. Hello, bro. No, yeah. It was cool. Bro, I'm looking for my phone, for my wallet. I'm looking. Hello, you hear me? Hello, I'm looking for my wallet. Did you see my wallet?
No, sir. And the cleaner just left. Let me call them.
Guy, there's $5,000 in that wallet. I don't will lie you. $5,000, bro. I beg, help me. Me wanna check well. Please, ask the cleaners. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you. Ha! Omo. Timothy, Broski.
The wallet is not in the car, sir.
Are you serious? Okay. Okay. No, it's okay. I mean, the person that the host is looking for it, and he'll get back to me. Okay, he'll get back to me, and it's probably there. You know, we checked everywhere. I mean. All right. Take care. What is going on? Bro. Hey. Oh, this is money that could have changed somebody's life now. Somebody that deserves it. Not some thief. It's all good. Alright, take care, bro. Yeah. Come in.
Sir? Did not find the wallet.
Go find them.
So that thing will pay no. I don't say money go full inside that thing.
It's lots of money actually, foreign currency, you know.
Foreign currency?
Being honest with you.
So I'm saying you get high blood pressure.
Oh, well, you know, as long as there's life, there's hope. We live to make money another day, right?
No lose hope, sir. Eh?
No, it's okay.
All hopes in God.
Yeah, it's okay.
That is, I believe in God so strongly.
Yeah.
Hope's day.
Yeah.
We will find that by God's grace.
Yeah, I hear what you're saying. There's, multiple sources of hope, so hopes.
No, just count on the one for God.
Yeah, but it's okay. Don't stress yourself, man. It's getting late. Yeah, thank you, bro. Go to sleep, it's late. We're heading out early tomorrow.
No problem, sir. So I just say you don't want anything, make you know.
I want my money back, but
you can find them.
Amen.
God day. Yeah. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Wow.
You see that this village? You don't get shame. You see that this village? As you dey waka now, you suppose don't cover yourself with shame. You get my see the waka for this village? All the hearts where they don't break. You get mine see the waka. Where we say some boys, some kind boys don't toast you. Even me, you disagree. You don't want to agree me.
Even if you ask
Hello.
Even if you toast me with 10 million or 10 billion naira, I go still reject you with 10 God forbid.
Madam, that one don't pass. Me toast you again. Now you dey toast me now. You supposed to toast me now. Come pay my goon price, I mean brand price, make I manage you. They don't fuck you up. You not be anything for this village again. Who want need you? I just want manage you. If you go feel, one kind.
I'm not interested.
Madam, make I tell you, another man will go break your heart. No be only heart they go break. They go break your head. They go break your eyes. They go break your nose. They go break your mouth. They go break your nyash. They go break you. Hey! They go break you. They go break your nyash. They go break your something. They go break you. They go break you. They go break you. My pikin, let your mind cool, yeah? Make you no take on like that. Make your spirit come fall down, yeah? Come.
Papa, I don't tire. I don't tire. Everybody for this village just they carry me, they play. They just they call me say I be waitress. So say Say Johnny carry me to do panya.
No mind them. That same mouth wey dey take yab you so, that same mouth to take dey hail you. No mind them. Just take am easy, yeah? Don't let anything disturb you. Just face what you dey do.
Baba, your phone dey ring and I sure say na Johnny dey call you. I talk am pick am now.
I no wan answer am. Because of what he do, I no wan talk to am. Sense.
No, it's not like we went on one date and I didn't call you back. It's just that I've been very busy. I'll call you back, okay? I'm working right now, yeah? Bye. Come in, it's open.
Sir. I don't see him, sir.
Huh? See what?
Yeah, what is, sir?
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
The notes are still in there.
Complete, sir. Everything complete. Everything there inside there.
Thank you so much. Where did you see it?
Sir, just by your car now.
Yes.
That person you sit down. If you just inside the chair, sir. That corner like this. He enter inside here, sir.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. I'll
Yes,
add 200,000 to yours.
Hey!
This means a lot to me.
Boss!
No, it's
I greet you, boss.
I'm very thankful.
Thank you, boss.
No, I should be thanking you.
Thank you, boss. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you, sir.
God bless you too.
No problem. Check if anything they miss. Look, I check.
No, I've checked the thing that matters.
Your ID card, everything you call it there as it now.
The ID card is not an issue.
Okay, boss. God bless, sir.
Tim.
Yes, sir.
I was just thinking, and I was curious. Did you miss her?
My wife, sir.
Yes.
Oh yes, sir. I miss her so much, sir. In fact, it's uncalculatable, sir. I cannot calculate the amount of missing I miss her. It's too much, you know. But now life, sir. You know, she got today there, I got today here.
I mean, how'd you cope with all her traveling? Like, it's a lot of her being away from you. Like, how'd you cope with her being away from you?
Sir, I got to cope. No, I get option, you know. One thing about this life be say if you no get money, you know if you plan life for yourself. Now life go plan for you as what make you be. You know, so life they plan for us. I did hear the hustle, she did that side, they manage that side. You know. We don't even try, you know. This Lagos is hard to get job. She did try find house girl job. But you know, they easy. The way we see, they say don't pay 5,000 naira
a week.
A month, sir.
A month?
A whole month, sir.
Oh, that's slave work.
And transport inside.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Who could survive off of that?
You know if he survive. Now I tell her say make she no worry.
You know what? I could actually find her a job that would pay upwards of 150,000 naira.
Hey.
So yeah, I could definitely do that. And as for your farm, you can hire people to cultivate it for you while you're working. You know?
God bless you, sir.
No, amen.
God bless you, sir.
You're a good person.
Thank you,
you're
sir. You are a better person than me, sir. In fact, they learn how to be better if a better person than you know what I'm saying, sir.
I totally understand you. Thank you so much for bringing my wallet back. Okay, this means a lot.
Yes, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. I will call her now, tell her the information.
Sure, whenever she's ready. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. God bless.
All right, take care.
Something can make you fresh juice.
No, don't worry about the fresh juice. Yeah? This is much better than any fresh juice you could make.
Boss!
I trust you. I don't have to count it. I trust you.
It's complete, sir. You need
I'm
to
sure. I don't need to count it.
Thank you, sir.
You can go, yeah?
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, now let me play.
I know you can go. I need to make a call.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
2-0.
So trustworthy. Yeah. Close the door.
Hello, Tintin, how far?
Philo, are you okay?
Make I no lie give you, I no dey okay at all. Since I come back this village like this, now so people just they mock me. The one way they laugh me, they laugh me. The one way they call me waiter, they call me waiter. Things not just good at all for me here.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
As I did here, so I just feel bad. I wish I fit just come out for this place, just disappear, go another place. Make I go start my life for another place.
Philo, if that place get too hot now, I beg come on though.
Ha! This one when you come dey talk say make person leave, where I won't go? Who I know? No sir, I no get family like that.
You have me. You get okay, Rick join. If you tell me say he go help you find work, we go pay you like 150K or more.
You mean 150,000? Ha! That one na money oh, but see you know say if I come back there now, it go be like say we dey continue the lie we dey lie, and I no like to dey lie like that.
Philo, just confess. We go find solution to this whole thing. Yeah, confess.
Okay, I go think am. Bye bye. I don't come back home.
Happy past yourself.
Hey, if you see village. Hey, Oga. Good evening, sir.
Welcome back. Nice to see you.
Oga, after you, now you be the real Oga. See as you can't tell my husband here, say make you can't carry me with that big motor. Now so I can't be like Presido everywhere. Can't they shout wow 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 wow. Oga, as you did like this, so you deserve 3.5 special bossa.
We honestly missed your vibe. You're a character.
Hey.
Honestly. We missed you a lot.
Hey.
Especially your husband.
I
Hey.
Your absence was like.
Baby, I'm back.
yeah. Thank you, sir.
Welcome back, okay? If you need anything, please let him know or let me know directly. It's up to you. And welcome back. Alright. I'll be upstairs in my room, okay? Alright.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Alright, no problem.
Why you not tell me now say you miss me?
I miss you, sir. I won't even faint, sir.
If you faint, then you can't carry.
Okay, you sir. Go for you. Go, sir.
Go, sir.
Go. Okay, we'll go chop now.
We'll go chop.
You hear why you see soup we are?
Hey!
Yes.
Hey!
You know
what I like. Hey, you know.
Eric, you like Philo? That's someone's wife. What are you thinking? What is wrong with you? Your mind shouldn't even be going there. But you know what? It's just pure like. It's like. I didn't say I love her. I like her. Like, you can like someone without ulterior motive, right? I just like her. The fact that she has nice thighs doesn't even factor into my thinking. That's not even, I don't even, notice that she's curvy. That's none of my business right there. Okay? So yeah, just like her. Great. Yeah. Okay. This is ridiculous. Okay? This is incompetence at the highest level. You were supposed to deliver the food yesterday and you didn't. No, I don't want to hear any excuses. Okay? I don't want to hear that. The fact is that you didn't deliver the food. I beg.
Hold on.
Hey, Philo.
Everything is alright.
It's just the person that was supposed to deliver food didn't deliver the food and now she's giving me excuses. What's that supposed to mean?
Why now? Why you no need to allow that kind of thing bother you now? Now why are they here? Me, I sabi cook.
Oh yeah?
So if she dey busy, me I fit cook for you, sir.
For real?
Yes, so if I cook for you, Oga, you go lick your hand. You see this hand, you go lick and finish.
Alright, so I'll tell the food store people to bring the food stuff here instead of taking it to the woman's house. So you cook for me.
Okay, sir.
Yeah?
So that will not be a problem.
Alright, and you send me your account details, so I'll send you some money.
Okay, but sir, not too send plenty money. Now only the one way be I'll use to buy meat. Because I know say you go like plenty meat.
I actually like meat, I like steak, lamb chops, stuff like that, right? But I'll send you enough money. Don't worry about the amounts. I'll send you the same amounts I send her. You get me? And that's fine. Okay, don't argue with it. Just accept.
Okay,
Yeah.
you go send me what they said.
I'll send you. Just send me your account details, okay?
Okay, sir.
Well done with this, yeah?
Yes.
Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to see your food.
No problem, sir. A person go get better work. Him go dey form. Me, I go cook. Abeg, if they feel really pay me the salary wey they pay this one, no go bad though. Okay, I see the clean this side.
Okay. Oh my God. This is so delicious. Oh my God. The flavors, you know, the way they collaborate and coordinate in my mouth. So delicious.
The guy tell you now, tell you say I be better cook. Say if you chop my food, you go lick hand. Eh?
I'm literally
Okay.
5 stars.
Thank you, sir. You know, say they talk and say the way to a man heart na through him belly. Me now, I don't marry, so you need to just mind yourself to make you not come to fall in love with me soup.
You're so funny. Such a character.
Sir, I know say you go enjoy and you go like him.
It's so delicious.
You can just quickly talk this one.
There's a lot of beans, I like it.
I know say you go like it well.
So delicious. Oh my God.
Thank you, sir. Make I go back and go kitchen, go coordinate other things.
Hey, I would hug you, but I don't know if that's appropriate. Maybe a side hug, you know.
You better do man.
Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Go now.
Perfect. I need you to send me a proper marketing strategy, okay? Because this thing you sent me is definitely not it. I'm actually disappointed. I thought you could make a better effort than this. I don't want to hear that, okay? Send me something proper.
Sir?
Yes?
I don't know if I can talk, sir.
Of course.
Sir, I'm sure this is your business. You have competitors. Sir, have you considered reducing the price of your product a little bit below your competitor's price? You know, it will increase customers coming your way. And then when you see that your customers are patronizing you a lot, they're now used to the product, you can now increase the price a little bit, sir. You know, bit by bit, you increase the price. So it would go a long way. You can also consider some marketing techniques like buy 5 get 1 free or get 2 free, depending on the nature of your business, sir. You know, and let's not underestimate the power of marketing, sir. We have TikTok marketing, that's social media marketing now, Instagram marketing, use of influencers, TikTok marketing, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, search engine optimization, sir. When they can search your product or anything that relates to your product and your product comes up first. You know, even a rebrand of the park, if you don't mind. You know, so it will help your business to go far, very, very well, sir. And also, we now do a loyalty program where we can test the loyalty of your customers. By testing the loyalty, we know your true customers and reward them, especially during festive periods. So it will increase the excitement.
Tim?
Yes, sir.
I appreciate your concern.
Thank you, sir.
But don't listen to my conversation ever again, okay? And no matter what, don't take your hands off the steering wheel when you're driving.
Sorry, sir. I was just excited, sir. So sorry, sir.
This juice nice.
You know, I don't want to tell you, I don't forget to tell you. I don't see girl now where I like my
Be quiet now.
Okay, don't sleep. Don't worry yourself.
You sure?
You don't sleep. At least I don't see you don't sleep.
You don't sleep.
Just say I don't come out. I want to die for the day. Talk freely.
If you say Oga don't sleep, it's alright.
You don't sleep.
So wait till you talk.
I don't see girl where I like that. My full spec.
Here,
Yes.
your spec.
Complete.
Not be only spec.
Bumper day,
Na
tender
spectacle.
day, Everything, engine safe, V8 engine.
Now this kind of thing then they make me tired for you. Eh? Only small money now where you don't gather for your pockets now. The next thing now you don't fiam or carry spec. You want we go finish your money.
So with that type. See, I don't mean to get money like that. Money in my account now, so they speak 400,000. You understand? And the way I take B, I don't go carry that money, go they find girl to flex. And they find girl for love. Oh, give me children.
That be the best way, because if you really look am now, age no dey your side again. You know dey your side again.
Side
because the reason why they talk am be say e better say make you marry now, because the next thing you go come dey for old age come dey buy baby milk, and all those girls wey dey say if you go dey follow those ones wey dey get curve nyash, na so they go finish all your money for you.
No, this one na wife material. That is I had dey follow the girl dey talk. She dey give me good girl vibes. Good girl vibes.
You mean am?
Vibes on vibes.
Hey!
As I talk to her, she dey give me good girl vibes.
I like as you take talk am now, because the thing be say Tintin, you be good person.
Yes.
So you deserve girl wey be say na also good person.
No, na good girl o. Dey there.
Hey!
Better girl.
This thing sweet me oh. Hey! So like this now, you go come marry. Hey! E good oh.
Good well. In fact, the way I dey look am, I go dey careful till I ready to marry. And I go now come find way tell am. Then I will come make you my best man. You don't understand?
Which kind talk with that? Me and you now, I resemble your fellow man.
Yeah, no.
Na best woman I go be now. This I never sabi that thing.
Yeah, but see your chest, you flat like man.
You know they see my nyash.
You know they.
This nyash feel like my nyash. Even if you know they fear me, you know they respect me, respect my nyash.
You know today. You be like man.
I don't be like man.
You sure?
Now because the two of us they laugh, they play all the time. Now best woman now I go be.
Mother when they go too tough.
I go come wear better skirt, come wear better suit jacket, come wear correct sneakers. Like this, that's come they dance. They dance. People they buga for there now.
No, I don't want that kind of buga on. See, my wedding now, I don't think I want call 30 BG gang.
Yeah.
And
for
in
your
whole crew. When they come back home.
For your small 400,000, you won't call 30 BG. Not be only 30 BG you go call now. Whiskey FC. Even Israel self, you no go fit even call and on your wedding. You no go attend.
Or I fit just go online now. Say I be chief priest brother. Where he abandoned some years ago.
Nobody go answer you. Focus. That day, if you feel even beg Portable, that Portable go just quickly come display for you.
Makam, now either Bona boy or the go my wedding.
I beg, just forget.
Makam.
So you don't find babe.
Yes, ma'am.
She said. Nobody find past me.
You be the best girl for this one. So
Nah, me still be the best girl for this
you
one.
try for this one.
Nobody find reach me. If the girl come here now, her face go dey 1 kilo.
They lied to me. You're not married. So Philo is single. Philo is single. Okay, now I'll take this one.
Yeah, I'll drop it.
No, I actually got that for you.
Sir?
Yeah, it's yours.
Me?
Yeah.
Hey, thank you. You're very generous.
You're welcome. I appreciate that. I'll be upstairs, okay?
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Sure, you're welcome.
Hey.
Now, wow.
See.
Like say Oga eye still in your body from the first day under this house. You don't want to carry eye come out when you did.
Hi. I know say people they always they like me when they see me now.
Oh, no be that type like.
You when you see me the first time, you know
like his sister in Christ. Oga like you, the kind like me like you, even past the way I say he like you.
I beg, we don't feel like me like that because he know say we married.
Is it gonna be this one? food.
This one good though. See as the thing.
Hey, wait oh. They get one boutique where I carry Oga go today. One big boutique like this. They close for that place. One bra alone, like 250,000.
Hey!
I did tell you, not like for you.
And this thing
Buy for you
buy
like this.
plenty.
This thing will go like 1 million naira. Oh.
Hey, 1
Hey!
million.
Maybe small thing.
And you know if you give me the money,
No,
we
no,
pay
what-
buy soup.
Come when we go chop. He like you. You said just check see whether you like and back.
Which
The
one be
likeness
likeness
with
now?
connect.
Now
Yeah.
just normal likeness, him like me now. You know be like that.
Hey, Philo.
You see, you call me.
Yes, I did. I bought this for you.
Hey. For me, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Hey, Chineke. Hey, Oga.
Please have a
What's
seat.
this?
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Hey. Oga, these things, they're very expensive. Oh. Hey. And it will cost reach like 500,000.
See, a beautiful girl like you deserves this and a lot more. Being honest with you.
Oga, thank you. My husband need to say me the beautiful girl. Thank you, sir. Hey, you're very generous.
Philo,
Sir?
are you really married to Tim?
I didn't married now. We didn't married. We be man and wife.
I overheard your conversation a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
You're not married to Tim.
Hey.
You're not even dating him. You just did it to help him.
Yeah. Okay.
No. We're not
Sorry.
continuing with this conversation if you're not doing that. We're not continuing. See, sit down.
Sorry,
We're
I
not talking.
beg. That thing when you hear, we dey sorry. I use God to beg you. Make you no saka. This
I'm not-
work mean a lot to Ram. I
It's
beg.
okay. It's okay.
Hey,
It's
I
okay.
beg.
It's okay.
You know, say our situation be now.
I'm not going to sack
beg.
him. I totally understand you guys did it to help each other out, right? And I'm not going to sack him.
Hey,
Okay,
thank
you're
you,
helping
sir.
him out. That's a noble thing to do. But I do have one request.
Hey! I thought I said this thing go pass. Be careful, oh. Okay, I think God they beg you, oh.
No, it's not a big request. I'm being honest with you. It's not a huge deal. It's just I'd like you to go somewhere with me this evening. I'd like you to wear the clothes. I got you. The hair. I'll send a makeup artist to come doll you up. It'll be an honor.
Why this thing con dey sound as if say na last supper before you go throw away us comot for your house?
Okay, come on. No, it's not. It's not that. Okay, not that at all. Okay? So is that a yes, though? It'll be fun, I promise you.
So guy like that now, you know go sack us. Don't
No.
forgive us.
Yeah.
Hey.
100%. I'm not even pissed at you at all. I just want you to honor my request. Will you?
No problem. As far as you no go sack him,
No, I'm not going
I
to.
will do am.
Great. Looking forward to it.
I feel go now, sir.
If you want to, or we can stay here and watch
So make I
TV.
just go inside first. I feel they do one small tidy up.
Sure, it's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sure.
God bless you, sir.
The makeup artist will soon be here.
You know?
Hey, team, Kasala don burst o.
What's happen?
Oga don see say me and you no dey marry. Say na pretending we dey
Hey!
pretend.
My job, oh. I don't my job with that.
No worry, he say he no go sack you.
Hey. Okay, I dey come now, I beg. I dey come. Sir, I beg, sir. Sir, I'm sorry, sir.
Stand up.
I did not mean to lie to you.
I'm not going to listen to you if you don't stand up, honestly.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. I don't mean to lie to you, sir. I did not have a job. My rent was expiring. Sir, I'm a good person. To God, honestly, I'm a good person. I'm not a bad person, sir.
See, from my experience working with you and my knowledge of you as a person, I truly believe you're trustworthy. But don't lie to me again. Please don't do it.
Sir, I would never lie to you in my life.
Because I understand this one, I want to understand the next one.
Sir, I would never lie to you in my life, sir.
It's okay.
Sir, I'm a graduate. It's just that the economy is hard, sir.
I totally understand.
People are just the hard.
I understand.
You know?
It's okay.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Yeah?
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
No problem.
Sir, I'll never lie to you again, sir.
Okay.
Do you want me to wash anything for you, sir?
No need for that. No need for that. Yeah?
Sorry, sir.
Just keep doing what you're doing.
Okay?
You're doing
Thank
good.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
From where you don't dey look me like this, I don't dey shy.
You look breathtaking. Honestly, I'm speechless.
Thank you, sir.
No, drop the sir. You don't have to call me sir, you know. Just call me Eric. And I'll be driving tonight, you know. I told Tim to sit this one out. So, just enhance intimacy, you know.
Oga, now you won't drive?
Yeah.
Tintin did it, I ain't go fit drive am.
Don't worry about it. Like I just said, you know, I know how to drive, okay? Yeah. And I've been driving for a minute, you know. I just don't like driving because it's not convenient, you know. I like working while I'm transporting myself from get to work, but I can drive. Don't worry about it. All right. Don't worry, I got it.
Thank you, sir.
Ladies first. Do you want to wear the heels? You don't have to. Oh, you look beautiful walking.
Baby me.
Ah, baby.
What's up?
Baby.
Oh, what's up? Why are you looking worried?
It's not fun now.
As per...
Your cousin, the sole distribution deal. Have fun now.
Babe, I spoke with him a few days ago and he asked me to exercise a little patience. So let's just wait. Okay?
Okay. But babe now, you know this thing's very hot. Eh? What about if you give it to somebody else?
No. No. Guy, you see that deal? It's all yours. I'm his favorite cousin, oh, and he will never disappoint me. Never. So chill, okay?
Okay.
Get up. Steve comes to still kill.
Oh, babe. Should we go and see him?
Babe, see him, okay?
No.
Now imagine the distance from mainland to island. Babe, when we're going to catch up with traffic, and when we're coming back, same thing. Why don't we just wait till the deal is closed so we can go there already?
Okay.
Fine.
Are you sure?
Oh. Babe, can you just calm down and trust me on this?
Okay, I'll be patient.
Thanks, sir. You're still looking worried. Calm down.
Yeah, I'm calm.
Fine.
I'm very calm.
Wetin dey happen to me like this now, eh? When my heart just dey beat fast like when I dey think of Oga Eric. E be like say me I don dey love am o. I don dey love am too like this o. But Oga Eric na good man na good man. At least him don tey. He don tey when he don dey warn him wife wey die for accident. But I no wan dey quick o. I no wan dey quick to accept am. So I go wait. I go wait for him to ask me out again. I love am sha.
Right.
So at least they are scoring goal. Hey, you don't enter in. Hey.
How you doing? You good?
I did fine, no. I did very fine.
Okay. Let me go straight to the point. I mean, I've asked you to give me a chance. I know your past relationship experiences might make you scared, might give you negative thoughts and reason to be pessimistic. But please let me be your man. Let me nurture you. Let me take care of you. Let me soothe your pain. I love you. Like, I truly love you. Since the first day I saw you, I felt deeply in love with you. I couldn't control it. I know it was kind of forbidden because I thought you were someone else's wife, but I couldn't lie to myself.
Hey, this thing where you talk now, eh? You sweet me for body, oh, because I like you. Eh? You no go like better thing. Me self, I like better thing. You be better man.
I'm just going to sit over here admiring the work of art. You're like a masterpiece.
And then when you look you like this now, but they shy.
Serious, I feel like
my steez and composure.
no. You should be hanging in a museum or something.
They flatter me too much.
No, I'm not flattering you at all. But I'll stop for you even if my garden gets a flat tire. I'll still stop. Honestly, Leonardo DiCaprio wishes he painted you because you look finer than Mona Lisa.
Hey. This thing just they do my head somehow. Anyway, I stay here. I still make I watch the thing where they like to watch.
Yeah, I was wondering why you were watching that.
And football, oh, and the thing they very entertaining. The way that they pass the ball, they score the goal, I like them.
You know what they win at the end of the season? They win a trophy.
Trophy?
You are my trophy.
Hey!
Hey.
God, oh!
Brings to my face. Tears of joy in my eyes, peace from depth eyes can't reach. This can only be true love. This can only be true love. That's a special kind of joy your smile brings to my face. Tears of joy in my eyes, peace from depth eyes can see.
Wow, you almost knocked out a teeth.
Fear be catch me, oh.
What kind of nightmare were you having that you're waking up like this?
Fear be catch me, oh. Come dey wonder. And then this cold way dey for this room, cold well.
Do you want to turn off the AC?
No, make I dey used to this kind of Oyibo lifestyle.
I got you some food.
Hey, food. Person never even brush mouth well. Won't come chop food this morning.
Do you want to eat it now?
I go dey do this Oyibo thing now, so I go eat am now.
Alright. There you go. Do you want to open the water for me?
Yes.
There you go. Hope it doesn't spill.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The water is right here.
So you no go join me?
No, I just want to watch you.
thing, eh?
Do you like seafood?
Which one be seafood? Food where they see.
Yeah, previously, but then they put it in a pot, put some spices, and they make seafood pasta. It's really nice. I think you'll like it.
Hey, no. Me and mommy water go come the share food.
You're so funny.
I'm not going to do that.
No, you're not. It's really nice. Prawns, lobster. Those are really nice.
Mommy water don't chop.
No, Mommy Water is not like, it's a fictional character too. That, you know, Mommy Water.
I can't fit change my destiny. I'm not going to.
Mommy Water doesn't exist.
They do.
No, I mean it exists in folklore, right?
They
But
do.
in reality,
Hey, bros. They do. If I knock you one gist like this now, you go know say all those mommy water they do.
nah, they're like you said, it's just folklore.
Hey!
It's fictional, you know.
Sometimes they go come stay on top of the water like this. They go come they shake each other hand like this. They laugh us. I'm not go follow them share food.
Those could be dolphins, you know.
Duffy waiting. No. Me and mommy water go for big.
Philo. You look amazing.
Thank you.
Well, this is for you.
Hi again. Hey, you dey spoil me well, oh. Everyday gift. See, no Congo talk say I don't finish your money, oh.
Come on. That's what you're here for now. For me to spend my money on you.
Hi.
Yeah. I mean, I love you. I have to express it.
I mean, I love you too. Thank you, thank you. Okay, I can go keep on. Now, bring food.
Philo.
Hey.
Would you please do forever with me?
They ask that question. Forever and ever, amen. I go do it. Hey. Down for my hand, though. Hey. Thank you. Hey. Like this now, go 13 things. I don't collect ring go for Lagos.
Oh yeah, I was meaning to talk to you about that. Tim is your best friend, right?
Yes, so I'm my best friend for Lagos.
Oh, okay. But now I'm the number one man in your life.
Yes. Now you be chairman. Hey, I can hug you again.
No problem. Later I'll talk about the whole male bestie thing, but that's later.
So wahala.
Alright.
We can go cook one better food for you. Hey, fine. I be hug you again. Because goodness God, you surprised me. Oh. I mean, this is the shocker of the year for me. Hey, I didn't even see it coming. Babe, can you imagine? You surprised me. Oh. I am surprised. I just said, okay, I should come with my journey so you can award him the deal, and then to come and meet this wonderful news that my cousin is getting married again. Babe, it's God not wonderful.
Yeah.
You know, first of all, God is wonderful. You know, He's awesome. He's awesome. And I apologize for not informing you. I've been so busy with love. I didn't even inform my favorite cousin. I'm sorry.
That's that feeling. He's always like that. He's like that.
It is.
Yes.
It is.
Love is sweet.
It's great news, bro. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. My in-law. When are we assessing the dates for the wedding?
Okay, you know what? Soon. Or maybe we should just wait so we'll fix the date together, right? What do you think, Oz?
You know what? I want to enjoy every single moment from the two separate occasions. Okay, so we'll do it separately, but every single wedding expense is on me.
Oh,
wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll cover it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You know, I wasn't expecting you guys, but it's a pleasant surprise.
Yeah.
Let me go get my fiance, okay?
Please do.
I'm back in a second.
I can't wait to meet her. Because big cousin.
Joy is coming.
Don't worry, Joy has come.
We would have talked about the distribution deal before we went upstairs now.
What's your problem? Calm down now.
Relax now. Calm down. Chill. I know my cousin is going to give you the deal.
I'm calm.
Chill. Okay?
Okay.
Babe.
Wow.
This is my favorite cousin, and her name is Joy. Cuz this is my babe. She's the love of my life. She means everything to me.
Honey,
Philo.
Philo. Wow, you look beautiful. Thank you.
Cheers.
Come on. Wow. Because you've got taste.
Of course. Let me.
Wow. So, Erika is my favorite cousin, which makes you automatically my favorite even. Oh, thank you. See, we have a lot of catching up to do, right? because, you know, you guys talk. Okay?
Alright, broski. How you doing now?
Congratulations.
Thank you. Congratulations to you too. Yeah. So the wedding date, so I'm serious, so what's going on now?
I'm still looking at the date.
You're looking at it? Oh, what dates are you guys looking at?
We have not decided yet.
Oh, okay. So you're not actually looking at any date, you're just hopefully in the future you pick a date.
Yeah.
Cool.
Nah, Which kind bad luck with this one? Which kind bad luck with this one? Philo? Oh God, man. I have to go and beg her before she spoils my plan. I hope she agrees to see me when Eric and John have gone to work, because if she doesn't, I'll go on my own. Yes, yes, man. Now, wow, God, no. Nothing happen.
Wetin you want?
Philo, my love.
Stop am. No try am. No try open your mouth call me that name again. No try am for this your life where you come. Wetin you want?
Philo, that's you fine. Huh? I still love you.
Hey. Something dey worry your head.
Philo, say. And see, I not stop at all before. Not be say, I not stop. Because you know, see our love there, na DIE. Philo, see. Make I tell you what is up. My oga no settle me. He not settle me. He invest the money wrongly. Everything just scatter. Philo, and Lagos I dey now. How you want make her do? I gas also, Philo. Everybody got shine eye here. So Philo, I just got take care of myself. So I just did now, I just see Joy. You know, she just don't say you get package where, and her cousin too. They won't give me one contract like that. And after I run that contract, everything goes soft. Share you feel? See, yeah, you go day. Philo, I don't stop. See, now you my heart deal with now. You know everything now.
So, as you dey like this, so Johnny, you don't turn scammer.
No, not be so.
You carry Joy, they do scam, abi?
Philo, not be so.
You dey craze. Aye.
No, not the reason like Philo, see.
I been think say I know you before, but I don't know you again. As you dey like this now, come on for here.
Philo, na Lagos.
Come on for here! I dey keep you quiet since so. I don't even know why I even allow you come inside this house. Come on for here.
Philo, na Johnny.
Johnny, make I no release something where I no supposed to release. Now they chase you come out for this place. Waka come out. Go now!
Philo, why you dey do like this now, Philo?
I said they go. Come out for this house. Come out. They go. I said they go. So everything what I don't do for you, you carry yourself, come Lagos, come turn to scammer.
No, see, na hustle ground now. Everybody got. You know, I go with you. Everybody got shine eye. Not the reason like that.
Shine your eye, come out for this house. Come out.
No, na me, yo.
I said come out. Hey! That's what you don't be. Put two earring for ear.
Scammer, now you don't turn now. Hey! Hey, this boy now just wasted person. Everything. I can't even go. No. Baby. Baby. Sorry, sir, I disturbed you for sleep. I won't talk to you.
Are you okay?
Me, I know they're okay. Plenty things full for my chest and I won't offload them.
What's going on? Talk to me.
You see that man? What's be name? That man.
Which man?
Johnny be name. Your sister Joy, you no go fit marry him. That man, you no go fit give him contract. Na very bad man, he get very bad mind.
Why'd you say that? Why did you say that?
Okay, make I show you what you go need to listen to. Because if I dey talk now, it could be like say I no get proof.
Philos, that's you fine. Huh? I still love you.
Hey! Something dey worry your head.
Philos, say, okay, see.
As I just did, now I just see joy. You know, say you get package where, and a cousin too. They won't give me one contract like that. Then after I run that contract, every year goes soft.
You don't turn scammer.
So,
you carry joy, they do scam, abi?
If you not be so.
You dey grace. You see, this man, dey very, very bad. Now this same man, I leave me for village, in come city, in come meet another girl, he say, because of say na money. Now money in just they find up and down. Money na in just they find up and down. He no get good heart. Na very bad man. And if you see this Johnny, hi! Money, in dey very bad. Very desperate man like this.
Thank you for being honest with me. I saw everything. My CCTV camera.
Hey, you get big camera phone for this place.
It's not a camera phone, it's a CCTV, like a closed circuit. You know, to monitor the environment. It's for security reasons, but I saw you guys and I'm happy you told me what happened.
Yeah, I have to talk, because I no fit keep am for my heart.
Come here.
There's a special kind of joy your smile brings to my face. Tears of joy in my
I spoke to your tutor, so your lessons will start whenever you want them to start.
Hey, so I'll call the learn the big English like this. Sure.
See, knowing how to speak English doesn't mean someone is intelligent or not intelligent. You already have the brains. It's like learning a new language. And your business setup already started.
Hey.
So that should be sorted very soon.
Thank you. I got the answer prayer fast too. Thank you.
One more thing. We're going to your village to see your uncles. So I can get a list of requirements for your hand in marriage.
Hey. Oh. Thank you. Hey, so we'll go my village now. All those people where they don't laugh me. They go, sister, I don't bring fine man, come. Thank you,
Thank you for being honest. I have to go back to sleep.
We go sleep together now. As the thing don't offload from my chest, we will sleep together. You know, go hold me.
Put your head in. I hate to do this. This is quite unfortunate because you know how much I revere you. But we cannot give the contract to that fraud.
Who? Sorry to tell you, Joy. You see that your fiancé? Inactive.
Philo, I won't have you talk about my fiancé like that, okay?
You remember that time we be say person call for phone? We be say the person can't they speak to you, can't they call you husband snatcher, say you don't snatch person husband and everything. We can't they talk for phone. Months ago, this thing happened months ago.
Yes?
It is I, Philo. It is I that called you. It is I that called you, Johnny, because me and Johnny, we don't suffer. We suffer for village. I can't gather some money, say, okay, oh, Johnny, take this money, may you go, you stay get better life for Lagos. When you don't prepare the place, finish, you go, come call me, make we come enjoy. Johnny reach Lagos, come forget me. Johnny reach Lagos, come forget me. He can't even call the papa, tell the papa, say, he don't engage somebody. Say the person self in get belle. And now you.
How?
That Johnny, my fraudster. What?
Joy, it's not a case of words. Look at that.
My oga no settle me. He not settle me. He invest the money wrongly. Everything just scatter. Philo, and Lagos I dey now. How you want make her do?
Hi.
I gas also, Philo. Everybody got shine eye here. So Philo, I just got take care of myself. So I just dey now, I just see Joy. She just, don't say you get package where, and her cousin too. They won't give me one contract like that. And after I run that contract, everything goes soft.
It's okay.
My pikin.
Papa.
I don't go fit thank you. The food, the money where you send can give me. I don't fit thank, but God go bless you.
Amen.
He go bless your husband too for me.
Amen, Papa. Amen. See, Papa, you be very good man to me. Forget wetin happen between me and your pikin, but you still be my papa. And see, Papa, anytime you need anything from me, I beg, phone call me, and I go provide. Eh?
But I don't tell you say you don't do too much already now. What do you see once and come?
Papa, now I say.
Mind the mugu. Nah, by side they go one go learn carpenter work. Now a whole bag like say na plane one go enter.
I hope saying go learn wetin suppose go learn. You no go join bad gang for that place because this time na arrest they go arrest them.
Nice, Abi.
Anyway, Papa, you don't do. I know say by now my husband go don't finish with all those my uncles. So make I go join am for the hotel we lodge. Eh? I go dey go now.
Thank you. Thank you, husband, for me too.
I go thank am. I beg, Papa, make sure say you dey eat your food well. You dey take your medicine. Everything wey you suppose do, you dey do am. Dey rest well, oh. I beg.
You know what? As I don't see you like this, so my mind don't cool.
No wahala, no wahala. Make I come dey go. I'll go now.
Okay. Yeah.
Bye bye, you. Stay well,
There's a special kind of joy your smile brings to my face. Tears of joy in my eyes, speech from depth eyes can't read.
You know, Tim is very loyal, very trustworthy, you know. I mean, bless his soul. He saved you and made our paths cross. You know? I mean, there was one day that I was looking for my wallet, and in that wallet, there were lots of dollars inside. And he picked it. He didn't take one note. He brought it all back to me. This is crazy. One time we were driving in the car, and he was reeling off all these business strategies, these ideas. Do you get me? And at the time, I rebuked him because he was eavesdropping on my conversation, you know? But actually, I enacted those ideas. And the funny thing is, we made millions of sales.
Hey, Tim na angel, oh. That man is an angel. Hey,
He is.
very good man.
He is, you know? I mean, I've decided to give him the contracts of being our sole distributor.
Hey.
For our diapers and our baby oil. It's to reward him for being the man he is, you know.
Hey.
And, you know, we're going to give him a car and a house as well. Comes with the deal.
You don't mean it.
Yeah.
Hey, baby, you are very generous. So, hey, so Tim now, we have a house and a car.
Yeah.
Hey,
And a
that's
lot of
very
money
good,
too.
Hey.
You know, I mean, he's a great guy. He's a great guy for real.
Tim, a great guy.
Yeah.
He's a very good man. See now, if not for Tim now, we for not see ourselves like this.
Seriously. It is the reason we're expecting Junior.
Yes, so, baby, Tim is the real angel. You see this thing now that you say you want to support Tim, so like this. It pleased my heart well. And I want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome,
Thank
baby.
you. Hey.
Thank you for being so awesome. I love you, baby.
Hey, yeah, I love you too.
Love is all that